no such thing as overreaction. There's only such a thing as underreaction, but no such thing as overreaction. Overreaction kung nagkakasakitan. Pero makita nyo naman peaceful. So,
So ano yung response natin dun sa sinisigaw nila kanina about sa'yo, personally about sa'yo?
it's okay. I can take it.
Yung mga,
I don't have an ego to protect, so okay lang sa akin.
yung mga sumisigaw ng Marcos resign po, may kakaharapin po bang kaso?
Wala naman. They have a right to be heard, so makikinig lang kami.
Sir, personally, bakit pumunta ko kayo dito para makita?
I will always,
Message are we trying to send, sir?
I am always on top of the situation. Ayoko kasi makita yung mga kapulisan natin na nag-iisa lang dito dahil makita nila as much as they are willing to sacrifice, yung leader nila kasama rin.
Sir, napipikuno ba kayo dun
Sure.
sa sigaw?
Wala, kasama sa politika yan. Di ba? Kasama yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Pero tao lang tayo. Pero so far, okay lang sa akin. Nakita nyo, minumura ako kanina. Okay lang. Kasama yan. Oo.
Ano na lang pong message sa kanila?
Peace to all mankind. Yun lang tayo. Di ba? Papakinggan namin kayo. At makakaasa kayo na usisya yung nahanap nyo idarating.
Sir, ano lang yung general assessment natin? Tapos na ba itong rally?
Tingin ko, nakatalikod na eh. Mas maraming vloggers kaysa protesters eh. Ang bilang ko siguro 100 vloggers, maybe 60, 70 ang nagpo-protest. So, tingin ko patapos na.
Pero was it general peaceful?
Oh, very peaceful. You can see for yourself. Nakita nyo naman, di ba, walang batuhan, walang tear gas, wala.
Sec, they're calling for the resignation of President Bongbong Marcos. Is this something that we will consider as
Everyone is saying, everyone has the right to be heard. I may not agree with them, but they have the right to be heard.
But is it seditious?
Again?
Yung call na yun,
No
seditious?
naman. Hindi naman. I don't consider it seditious.
Sir, ganito na ba yung magiging sistema ng mga possible future rally na hanggang dito na lang po yung mga...
We will always protect Malacanang. We will always prevent anarchy. Ayun ang pinakayo namin. A peaceful protest is always welcome, but anarchy is not. Okay? Okay, thank you.
Wala na mga rally papayagan sa inyo. Sir, ito na lang po yung minumonitor natin. Sa ibang lugar pa wala na.
Wala na. Sa People Power Monument, may mga 5,000 to 7,000 yata. But outside of that, tapos na. Liwas sa Bonifacio, 50. Ang natira. Ito siguro mga 80, 70 to 80. So that's all.
So wala ng threat, sir.
They can threat all they want, but they'll never succeed.
Saan galing po grupo na ito, sir? Kasi all along, sir, alam natin.
Galing Liwas sa Bonifacio to. Nakamonitor kami from the
Ano
start.
pong grupo to specifically?
May isog yan.
Sec, is this the last now, or are we expecting more demonstrators?
Wala na kami nakikitang wave pa, pero dito lang kami. Hindi kami aalis dito. Hindi aalis sa mga pulis.
Thank you, Sec.
Okay, thank you.